Hello, this is Kat from LÄVO, and today I am making our special elevated chocolate chip cookie mix, which is all natural and specially formulated for the taste of your medicinally flower-infused herbal oil. So to make this mix, it is 1/2 cup of infused oil, which I've got there, or you can use infused butter, which actually works amazingly. 1 egg goes in with the oil, you mix that up, and then I'm going to be adding my 1 package of chocolate chip cookie mix. Now to make this infused oil, you can see to the left there I've got my black LÄVO 2 machine. LÄVO makes it super easy to make infused flower infused oil, or really any herb. This could be lavender, garlic, rosemary, basil, ginger. The options are endless, even spicy peppers. Obviously, you're not putting all of that into cookies, but it just goes to show how much LÄVO can do. We also have a LÄVO C machine for large batches of oils and a LÄVO Luxe machine, which has an improved dry cycle for garden fresh herbs, and a dispense mode feature for thicker materials like honey or shea butter. Now you can see whenever you are making cookies, you just want to have your dry ingredients go into the wet ingredients, and you never want to over mix. So I'm going to gently mix these together until fully incorporated. If you head over to LEVOoil.com, we have other baking mixes like brownie mix and a wake and bake pancake mix. We also sell the infusion oils. There's my coconut avocado oil, MCT oil, virgin all natural coconut oil, and sometimes we have ghee on the site also, which does really well when infusing. So mix, mix, mix. Then what you want to do is just get a spoon to guesstimate how big each of your cookies should be, and then you're just going to replicate that size on a baking sheet. So you preheat the oven to 350 degrees, you get your spoon-sized cookie mixes, and then these just go into that oven for 10 to 12 minutes. You can make between 1 and 2 dozen cookies depending on the size. You can absolutely make these a little bigger and cook them closer to 12-13 minutes, or a little smaller and cook them on the 10-minute side. Now the ingredients in this mix are all natural. There are real chocolate chips, real brown sugar, only natural flavors, nothing artificial. So when you are in a pinch and you don't want to make cookies from scratch, these are a fantastic alternative. And they also just taste absolutely amazing. You just want to space them out on the sheet about 1 inch apart. Bake them, and they are so good. They stay soft for a surprisingly long time. If you find that the mix is a little dry, you can always add a splash of milk or a little extra butter or a little extra oil. And there you go.